Wow, what is it? Pull it out, bro. It's a rock crawler? Dude, that's a pretty nice size. It's not so huge, but it's not tiny.
It has springs.
I know. Let's look at the box right quick. What do we got here? We got 2.4 gigahertz remote. Built to last, all-weather fun. Wow, this thing is pretty awesome looking, dude. Look at that picture in the back. All right, well, let's crack this thing open and see what it looks like. They got that thing all zip tied. Whoa, check out this beast. What do you think?
It's awesome.
It's such a good size.
I know.
Whoa, and it's so like springy.
Yeah, that's why it has springs.
Check that out.
Oh.
There's a couple different options you can buy. There's ones that comes with the batteries and ones that you got to put batteries in. So we got the one that you put the batteries in because it's a little bit cheaper. So if you want to not deal with batteries, they have one where it comes with the rechargeable batteries. Okay, Marcus, looks like we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, bro.
I'll go bring one.
All right, so we're going to open the remote first. 3 batteries. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Marcus, so we need 3 batteries plus 4 batteries. So
okay.
We need a bunch of batteries. All right, so we got the batteries. I'm gonna put on here, you put on yours, and let's see if it'll move around. Yeah, it's moving. Marcus is giving it a little spin before we do some rock crawling. Man, this thing is really flexible. All right, guys, so we're gonna look at a little bit closer up here. So at the build quality, so we got shocks on each corner here, as you can see. These tires are very squishy. So they're pretty soft. So actually, let's look in here. The cab, the detail inside the cab, it's pretty awesome. You got yourself a steering wheel, seats, fire extinguisher back there. So then we got our extra wheel here that's just mounted for looks. So up here we got the whole assembly of the motor and everything. So I guess one of the motors turns, and I'm guessing the other one powers. And here's where you adjust your steering calibration. So the remote is pretty generic. So you got your on and off switch here. A little LED. So let's make some videos of this thing climbing something. Alright guys, so as you can see, this thing is very capable and it's so fun. The remote is definitely on the cheaper side, and it gets a little bit tiring of pushing this thing because you gotta push it kind of hard, I guess. But other than that, it's not too bad, and it looks like it'll hold up pretty well. Like, it's pretty quality built.